am going to teach you a trick which you won't find in any book. This trick will help you to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction without ever getting the wrong answer. So let's start. Here we have an improper fraction 7/3. It's an improper fraction because its numerator is greater than its denominator. So let's do the division process first. 7 divided by 3.
3
Yes students, 3 2 are 6.
1.
We have remainder 1. Now let's write the English letter J like this. We started with 2, then we came to 1, and after that we went to number 3. So our answer is 2 whole 1/3. 2 whole 1/3 is a mixed fraction. This letter looks like English letter J or Urdu letter Lam. Do you understand?
Yes.